To remove and install the front lower A-arm on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, remove the wheel from the vehicle. Begin by loosening the lug nuts while the vehicle is on the ground, but do not remove at this time. Then, safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Once safely elevated, remove and retain the lug nuts and set aside. Then, remove the wheel and set aside. Next, remove the lower ball joint fastener from the bearing carrier. Then lift upward on the upper A-arm and lightly tap on the bearing carrier to loosen the upper ball joint end. Pushing the hub inward helps loosen tension for removal. Continue by completely removing the ball joint end from the bearing carrier. Next, remove the lower A-arm fastener and discard the nuts. Then pivot the A-arm out from the vehicle. If reusing the A-arm, thoroughly clean with the shop rag before reinstalling. Also, inspect the ball joint and ball joint boot for wear, tears, or damage and replace if necessary. Then, inspect the A-arm bushings and pivot tubes for damage or wear and replace as necessary. When reinstalling the bushings, ensure the tapered side is facing out. Also ensure the control arm bushings are fully installed inside the arm before installing the pivot seals. Next, reinstall the A-arm and align with the mounting holes in the frame. Reinstall the previously removed fasteners from the outside and secure with new nuts. Then, insert the lower ball joint end into the bearing carrier. Reinstall the fastener from the rear of the vehicle and secure with a new nut. Next, torque the lower A-arm fasteners to specification. Then torque the ball joint nut to specification. Next, install the wheel on the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts until fully seated. Once installed, safely lower the vehicle until the tires begin to touch the ground. This will help keep the wheel in place when torquing. Once lowered, torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.